하나, 둘, 셋.
Kimchi fried rice.
That's 1 cup of rice. Make sure they stay in the pot though. 2 cups of water. Close the lid and put it on high heat and wait until the water boils. Now put it on low. After it boils, I'm gonna just stir it up a little bit and then close the lid and let it sit while we prepare other ingredients. That's an onion. I'm gonna use only half of it. And cut the other end. I'm gonna chop it. You wanna chop the onions, not the finger. So, if you're not confident, ask your mom to chop it for you. Because it's okay to ask for help. Chop it finely until the last bit. Every bit of onion. You don't want to waste it. I'm stirring up the rice to make sure it's okay. Smells pretty good. That fresh rice. Now that's Italian sausage from Costco. Now I want to peel the outer layer for better texture. You don't want that in my fried rice. Now I'm gonna chop my kimchi as well. Also nice and fine. Finely chopped kimchi. Chop, 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 chop. Now I wanna have my burner ready. Put it on high heat. Grab a wok. Add a little bit of olive oil. And dump the sausage. Now, I want to crush up the sausage and play with it a little bit. Crush it up finely. Because you don't want a big chunk of sausage in your fried rice. You want those tiny pieces. And when the sausage is cooked up a little bit, I want to add my kimchi in there. And a little bit of sugar as well from Tim Hortons. Add that in there. Maybe half a packet. And make some space for my onions. Add olive oil and dump the onions. Give it a nice stir under high heat until the onion is nice and clear. Now get the rice ready. Look at that, nice. Dump that in there and mix them up. Now, I'm gonna cheat here a little bit by adding just a little bit of beef stock, maybe half tablespoon. That brings the flavor all together and just so much better. Now for plating, shove these in a bowl.
너무 밥그릇 정말 크구나.
And while I was doing it, I realized that the bowl's a little too big. So I'm gonna fail here. Watch me. It's still good. Now I'm gonna top it with fried eggs. You make sure your eggs doesn't fall off. So fry those eggs and top the fried rice with those fried eggs. Oops. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Whew. I'm so hungry.
맛있어 보여? 맛있게 보이게 나와야 되는데.